Hey, so you're looking for a cheap but really reliable smart bulb that is color and works with Alexa or your Google Home? Well, in this video we're going to go over the XTouch smart bulbs and see how well they stack up compared to the other ones. What's up, Josh here from Gross Tech, bringing you the best reviews for your home technology, be that smart or not. And if you're into that kind of thing, please consider subscribing. But we do unboxing, reviews, and news, so check out other videos on our channel. Okay, so XTouch actually sent us their 2-pack of their smart bulbs. Now, these are much cheaper. This 2-pack is under 40 bucks. I think it was $39 and some change on Amazon. The link is down in the description below. But for the same price that you can buy one Philips Hue color bulb, you can buy 2 of the XTouches. And you don't need a hub, you don't need any kind of extra thing. They work with the Amazon Echoes and your Google Assistants, or just the app that on your phone. But they are color, they're 60 watt. These ones are 60 watt. So let's see how bright they get, how well they work against the Philips Hue or the LifeX bulbs, and if they're reliable enough. Hey, so the app they use here, you'll see it right here on the screen, is the Taya Smart, which, if you remember, we use that for some of the smart plugs, but you can also use the Smart Life app. They're both pretty much the same thing. So I've already added them to our system here, but what you would just do is you just add up here, you go all the way down to lights, electrical devices, make sure that the light bulb is screwed in, the light is on, and it will start blinking, and then it will add the ability to name it, say what room it's in, and everything like that. I've got 2 of them here, and let's go check out and see how well and bright they are. Hey, so we're back here in my son's room, and we're gonna use the lamp here to test out the XTouch bulb, and I also brought in my LifeX bulb because that's the only other color one that I have. My Philips Hue is not color, it's just normal white. So we've got the LifeX bulb here in, and they are rated at 1100 lumens, which is the highest. The Philips Hue is only 600 to 800 lumens, depending on which one you get. The XTouch ones here are only 400, so the brightness is definitely lower than the 2. And let's see what the XTouch one. Now remember, these ones are only 400 lumens, so it's definitely not as bright, but you get everything that you would get with your other abilities. So let's open up the app here. Here is bulb. Alright, so we can have it be white, we can make it as bright as possible. We go to color, here's red, make it as bright as possible. Then you can make it blue, make it green, make it yellow, make it purple. You can change what it says, plain or bright, washed out basically of the color. So there is as dark as possible. It's a deep. You can have dark, you can have plain. It just like the LifeX, it has scenes, soft, rainbow, party. I'm assuming will change. Leisure, gorgeous. You can set up timers. So it's all there. You can have a rave party. So it's pretty nice that you can just, or just white. So it has all the features that a LifeX or a Philips Hue has, but man, for the price, and yes, it is going to be a lot dimmer than both of its competitors. But to be honest, for a lamp like this, I mean, when you have an actual normal ceiling light, your lamp isn't there for, you know, the main light. So for the price of 2 of these being the same price of one of the Philips Hue or even the LifeX bulbs for your accent lights, I'll say it that way. These are so much easier and cheaper. They last 30,000 hours is what they're rated at, so you don't really have to worry about these burning out like just because they're the cheaper brand. I enjoy these a lot easier, a lot simpler to use, and you can use your Google Home or your Amazon Echoes. So thanks for watching the video. Again, the description down below has the links to the XTouch 2-pack or the single pack. Now they do come in two different factors, the flat ones like the LifeX or your colors from Philips Hue, or you can get the rounded bulbs. Both of those are options on Amazon. Again, thanks for watching. My name's Josh from Gross Tech. God bless you guys and have a great week. Bye.